guys, they love to get gacked up, sit around and badmouth me, and I don't even know who to love or trust in this place anymore. We belong where the dreamers by and by. We belong to the magic of the night. We were lost, we were found, trying not to drown, but now we're glorybound. Yeah, we're glorybound now, baby. Anyway, we've been written off by the talkers, but don't believe a word they say. We've been ripped off by the jokers, but now we know their game. All the starstruck frauds and fakers, silver-spooned impersonators. Suddenly we're surrounded by clowns and imitators. But how are we supposed to know what